In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the storage location for recorded videos in VLC Media Player. By default, VLC saves recorded videos in a preset folder, and many users don't even realize they can change this. If you're recording streams, clips, or desktop captures and want them saved to a different drive or a specific folder for better organization, this quick setting change will save you a lot of frustration. This works great if your main drive is running out of space or if you want all your recordings neatly stored in one place. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar. This is where all the main settings are located. From the top menu, click on Tools. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Next, click on Preferences. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P if you prefer faster navigation. This will open the VLC Preferences window, where all the main configuration options are stored. When the Preferences window opens, make sure you are in Simple Preferences mode. You'll see this option in the bottom left corner of the window. Simple Preferences is selected by default, and it's the easiest way to change this setting. On the left-hand side, click on the Input/Codecs tab. This section controls how VLC handles input, recording, and playback behavior. Now, look through the options on the right side until you find the section labeled Record Directory or File Name. This is the setting that determines where VLC saves your recorded videos. By default, this is usually set to your Videos folder or another system location. Once you've found the Record Directory field, click the Browse button next to it. This will open a File Explorer window on your computer. From here, you can navigate to any folder where you want your VLC recordings to be stored. You can choose an existing folder or even create a new one specifically for VLC recordings if you want better organization. After selecting the folder you want, click Select Folder or Choose, depending on your operating system. This confirms the new storage location and brings you back to the Preferences window. Finally, click the Save button in the bottom right corner of the Preferences window. This step is very important because your changes won't apply unless you save them. Once saved, VLC will automatically start using this new location for all future recordings. And that's it. From now on, every time you record a video in VLC Media Player, it will be saved to the folder you selected instead of the default location. This is a simple but powerful setting that makes managing your recordings much easier. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.